Alright, this is Mark Cobb from Mark Cobb's Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Pintair pool light. I'm going to do it in the pool and get it out and show you how to do it a little bit. First thing I'm going to do, make sure I cut the power off. And it's off and it's secure, and I actually cut the pools off too. So I'm going to jump in and we're going to take it out and show you how to do it. Alright folks, I'm in the pool. I got my screwdriver. This Pintair has one screw in the top. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to try to be careful. Make sure you don't drop it in the pool. I don't have a bottom drain, so I don't have to worry about it. But if you got a bottom drain, that's where your pool, that's where the screw will go, I'm sure. Taking it out. Got it, didn't drop it. It's a miracle. I'm gonna put those back out of the way. I'm gonna see if I can work it out of this niche. Alright, got it coming out now. There we go. We put extra cord in there when I built the pool so that it would reach at least to the deck. So what we're going to do, we're going to set it right here on the deck. I'm going to be getting out. Alright, now, I got the pool light out. This has got a clip retainer on the back. So I'm actually going to have to turn this retainer. And I may have to, I got it. And it actually loosens up the light fixture all the way around.
Trying to show it without the keeping it with your hand.
See the screw and the clip retainer? I'm just going to take it on off, or most of the way off. I may not take it all the way. I'm going to take it off most of the way where I can pop that cover off. Now, once I can get this, I'll just take it all the way off. It's easier. I'll put it back on like that. It just pulls it together and put pressure, even pressure all the way around the light. Make the gasket seal up better. So, now, get it off. This retainer. The retainer goes all the way around the light. There we go. Now, so that pops off. Now I got a gasket in here, and this gasket is holding the lens in and the light bulb. All right, we got the retainer off now. We're gonna get this loose. Now this does make like a vacuum seal after a while, so you may have to take something and kind of gently pry it and make sure, and just don't bend it. Just kind of put a little pressure to release some of the vacuum. Okay, now once you do that, it just comes right off. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go clean this up a little bit in there in the sink, and clean the lens real good and let it all dry out really good before we put it back. So that's the plan. It's blown. That's the problem. Been in there a long time though. Done really good. Alright, I'm fixing to go clean the lens, and I'll be right back, and we'll continue putting a new one in. We got our new LED color bulb put in. Fits nicely, it looks like, so now I'm going to put it back together. I did wash and clean up the light fixture and the seal, and got it all shined up, so it's all good and clear now. Should be ready to go. So I'm going to set this back on there. It's got a track right here. It's got a little groove that fits in this groove here right on the outside, so important that you get all that lined up just right. Get your seal in the right place. Now, retainer's got to go around the bottom with the light. I'm going to take this, and it's got these clips on it. We're going to set this on it. so. Now, very important that you get all of the retainer wires back in the grooves so it can have some steady pressure on it. And once you get them all in, verify I got them all in. I got them in. Now, I'm going to put this back together. I do have my nut and washer, brass nut and washer. Put on there. And I'm going to start tightening it up. Now, once I got it started, I'm going to make sure I got it in the right place for all of them. And I do. So that's going good. Now, let's just tighten it up. Make sure it's good and snug. Now, as you put that on, it pulls the pressure down on it and makes a good tight seal. So, looks good. Just make sure it's really good and tight. Now, that's as tight as I can get it, pulling those things together. So, they're all touching. Looks like a seal. Alright, back together now. What I'm going to do when I get in the pool, I'm going to submerge it and just make sure that there's no bubbles coming out of it before I turn it on. Alright, this is Mark again. This afternoon we changed out the pool light, put a LED color light in, and it wasn't very hard to do. A little bit of trouble getting it back in the niche, but I finally worked it back in, and I just want to show it to you and show you it's going. If you look at it, it's installed, and it's also got a remote control with it that I can change the different colors. I gotta get that programmed and ready to go. But thanks for watching Mark Cobb's Adventures. Hope this helps somebody put your light in. You can do it yourself. Thanks again. Like and subscribe.